Welcome to a game making session with Let the Games Begin. When you sit down in front of our game maker, this is what you're going to see. You've got three options. You can go and make teams of students so they can work together in groups. You can go and play a game yourself because we encourage our users to make games so they'll get or to play games so they'll get ideas for making their own games. And then you can go to the Make Games option. And here you can see the different kinds of games you can make with the software. Bingo, crossword puzzles, cryptogram, lots of Jeopardy and Jeopardy style games like concentration that you can do on the board as a group, categories, word scrambles, and then word search puzzles. I'm going to show you how to make a word search puzzle today, and we've got two kind of interfaces that we use. One, we shrink the worksheet down so you can see the whole thing. We like to have people, when they're making our puzzles, work like they're at a word processor and design their puzzle on the virtual worksheet itself. So here you have the options of starting from the bottom and working to the top, or working from top to bottom. That's what I'm going to do here. And I click that, and you can see our name line is now in the box down here. And I can edit it. I can clear it out and put in the values that I want. I can reach in and type in something that's not in the options, and you'll see what I type here is already on the word sheet up here. And we will just move ahead. We can change the title and then the subtitle. If we don't like the title, we can go back, but this is one way of working with our software. Now, the other way of making a word search puzzle is to use the full puzzle. And more often when people are doing this, they'll just click on the area that they want to change, right? And so I don't think we need that class sign there, so we'll just do that. And then if we want to put it in bold, we have that option over here, and we can even make the text a little bigger. And we can change all of this text just by typing on the page. And then we come to the grid itself. Now, we are going to use three directions. That's our default standard: left to right, top to bottom, and upper left to lower right. We're going to add another direction. We'll go bottom to top as well. And the grid now has 12 squares across and 12 squares going up and down. I'm going to add another couple of rows here. We'll make this 14, and another couple of columns. We'll make that 14. So you can see now the puzzle is bigger, but I think it's a little too big. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the slider here to shrink the size of the puzzle and then make the letters a little smaller so they're not overpowering. And now the words. There's two ways to enter the words you want hidden in the puzzle. One is to just type away, and this method, there's a spell checker, so you don't have to worry about making a spelling mistake. And when you have enough words, you just click up here, and that box jumps down to the bottom, and you can see the words are now in alphabetical order, so it can be a word bank for the students to help them know what to look for. And if you want to click on the grid again, you can go up and show solution, and that will show you where all the words are hidden. Now, a simpler, faster way to do this is to just click on the future word bank, click show word list, and you'll see that we have a list of adjectives, animals, birds, many different words. Our word list. Click on animals. Here's all the names of animals, and we're going to click on cat, cow, chicken, dinosaur, elephant. Oh, maybe dinosaur doesn't belong. We'll take that back out again. And when we have enough words, we can go in and click, and just as before, our puzzle is made. So it's that simple. Thanks for listening. Bye.